Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we'll see what elements are. So I'll go ahead and click add a new page here, which adds a new page for us. And this is the background color. I'm just leaving it like that. We'll see how to change that in a few videos later. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on elements. Now, there are a lot of elements. There are photos, which Canva gives for free. There are grids, there are shapes, there are charts, there are illustrations, there are icons, lines, and frames. So let's look into this one by one, starting with free photos. So this Christmas is probably because I'm recording this in the Christmas time, that's why Canvas put it here, but usually this doesn't exist. Anyways, let's start with free photos. Let's click on free photos, click all. You can find hundreds of photos that Canva gives you for free. These are high definition, high quality pictures. So I'm just choosing this. This is just random. Again, you can choose whichever one you want. Again, I told you the things here might not look beautiful at all. So this is the picture. And now coming to the picture, like, you can just drag and drop this picture wherever you want. And recently Canva made an update and it actually simplifies the process a lot. You can crop the picture from this. So you see this horizontal bars here and the vertical ones. So if you click there and drag it, you can crop the picture. So you can basically choose whichever part you want. You know what? I'll go ahead and delete this, and so I'll click on this picture. Say I want to take this only this part or only this t-shirt. So how do I do that? Excuse me. So go ahead, drag it there, drag it up here, drag it up here. Here we go. So we only have the t-shirt with us now. Again, you can go to one of the corners and drag it. You can enlarge the size of the image, and you can turn the image around by, there's an option here. You just hover over it and you'll see this curve arrows. So you can go ahead, click it, and turn it at whichever angle you want. Canva actually made an update which shows the angle also. I think that's really awesome. So when you're working in great projects, you need to know your angles, and so you can drag drop your image wherever you want. So again, you can go ahead, search for the pictures here. Say I want something for New Year, and I can go ahead and click on photos. So there are a couple of pictures here which Canva gives you for free. These might not be the pictures that you really want, and I'll show you a place where you can get pictures for free, high definition pictures, but in the later videos where we will learn how to upload your own images. Until then, you can play around with images, you can crop out a few and try to see what you can do with it. Yeah, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. You can play with these images, try making a collage of images and see how much you can do it. Alright, I'll catch you up in the next video then.